Hello, I'm Grant Alexander Sizemore, running for your 2023-24 Student Body President.
Show your Cougar pride.
I'm pretty active in school too. And even secret business. Hey fans, what time is it? It's time to lead! Communicating, proactive listening, organized, collaborating, hyping spirit. My buddy Alexander would even approve too. My goal is to create a full game day experience from the start of the day all the way until the game ends that night. This past year has been tough at times, but I don't want that to stop us at all. If I am Student Body President, everyone will be represented. As the current junior class representative, I want to continue expanding on our school safety so that each and every student feels safe when entering the school. To further what our school accomplishes, vote Grant Alexander Sizemore for 2023-24 Student Body President in order to make changes that sizzle.